Come along with me as I protect my family from the harmful effects of EMF radiation. These are all products from Life Harmony Energies. The first thing I'm doing here is putting the EMF protection stickers on my kids' iPads. These go on things like cell phones, laptops, Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, baby monitors, and more. Next up, I am using the audio harmonizer on my husband's AirPods. This is especially important for things like AirPods because they are constantly emitting EMF directly next to your brain for multiple hours of the day. Here I am putting on the Pure Light Cuff, which I think is beautiful and functional. Next up, I am installing this Carbon Car EMF Harmonizer. It works to neutralize harmful radiation coming from the electronics within your car. Lastly, I am installing the whole house EMF protection system. This protects your family from EMFs using a technology called bioresonance. It's very simple to install by putting one larger plate in your fuse box and several plates throughout outlets in your home, depending on the square footage of your home. This gives me the peace of mind knowing my house is covered.